Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we will be adding the 7th hinge to our folding cube. Now what you want to do is you want to lay out your cubes the way we usually do with T showing. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to bring them up, the inside two up towards you. And for this folding cube, you'll see the snowman. And our hinges, which I have already connected the seed bead here, go along the inside here. So this is 7 and 8. That's our last two hinges. Now we'll set up our faceted bead. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we want to bring the inside two up towards us so we see the snowman. And I'm going to start with the two closest to me. And we're going to hinge right along here. Now I'm going to start with the innermost connection bead here. And then I'll put 2 beads on each string. And then making sure you have your strings correct, you'll enter the same connection bead on the opposite cube, each string entering from the opposite direction. I think I got them twisted. Oh, I did. Let's see. Did I enter them in the wrong direction? No, I got them in the right direction. They just got twisted. Alright. Oops. Lost a bead there. So I just took out one, untwisted them, and now I will go back through. Alright. There we are. And now, what I like to do is take the piece and turn it on its side, and then turn these slightly. And then you have your first section down at the bottom for your hinge. Now you'll go through the 2 side beads on each side. And then you'll cross the second connection bead with both strings. And we'll check that our strings are the same. Mine are not, so I'm going to, there we go. Now we add 2 beads to each string. Then This time I'll try not to get my strings twisted. Enter the connection bead on the opposite cube, each string entering from the opposite direction. And now we will go through the 2 beads on each side. Let's see. Getting it back the way I need it. Not always the easiest. Once you've gone through the 2 beads on each side, you'll take both strings and cross your connection bead. Then add 2 beads to each string. Then on the opposite cube, you'll cross the next connection bead. Alright, now we have on 3 of our sections for our hinge. Then we'll go through the 2 side beads on each side. Then we'll cross the connection bead. Now we'll add 2 beads to each string. And then cross the connection bead on the opposite cube. Alright, and then we will tie our knot in this corner bead. It's a little easier to keep your hinge tight if you move away from the hinge to do your knot. We'll go through 2 beads on each side. Now 1 will go through the corner bead, then tie the knot, don't pull it tight yet, and we go back through the corner bead, pull the knot inside, and pull tight. Then you can thread about 6 beads and then clip off the excess. There we have one of our 2 hinges. The other hinge you can add the same way, but I will also be doing a video for it if you need any help, so come back for the next video. Hope to see you there.